DandeLyte bioplastics offers several environmental advantages. They reduce resilience on fossil fuels. These bioplastics are derived from a renewable resource from extracted wood. Conventional plastic